are you doing?
And then let me say.
What?
Let me say.
Say what? Go.
This Holly Jolly Day book has, wait. 7 chapters in it. The first one's called Frosty the Mailman. Frosty the Mailman. The second one's called...
Okay, Meow, say bye. Say Merry
one's
Christmas. Camille.
Hello.
Hello.
Taking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice.
Okay, say bye-bye.
And then
Oh my goodness.
The third one is Melikalika, which means Merry Christmas in Hawaiian.
Okay, say Merry Christmas and say bye.
Merry Christmas.
What the?
And then we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Done?
Yes.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Smile.
Bye-bye.